It's your girl Real Bethy B. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you're most definitely welcome. Please do well to subscribe. This video is a quick tutorial on how to cultivate aloe vera garden at the comfort of your home. Just in case you're wondering the importance of having aloe vera can be used in your hair treatment, skin treatment, constipation, and lots more. You definitely need to have this. Before we get started, gloves checked, garden checked, and of course we move. To start with, good soil produces good aloe vera. I'll be mixing this particular one, which I got from the store, with the ones that I had before now. Pour some soil into a perforated flower pot, make a hole in the middle, place the aloe vera plant in it, ensure the root touches the bottom of the pot so as to remain firm while growing. Level up the soil so as to protect the stem. There is a short clip at the end of this video showing how I started.
To dream, believe in strength. Now I'm the only one, only one. I was an ordinary boy until I broke the rules. My life destroyed, a life destroyed. Until I walk awake, scream my mind, I shout, the ground shakes. How much can I take? My mind will break. Will it break? Can I take? Can I be your superhero?
Once planting and transplanting is completed, water moderately and smile.
It's the first time of today. Today.
For maintenance, it's best to water 2 to 3 times weekly in winter and every day in summer. That's it, guys. Thank you for spending your precious time with me. Before we get into business,